our tube doors from JCR Off-Road. Man, I'm so excited to open this up already. And this is it right here. This is the second box right here. Oh, wow, this is nice. And I'm guessing this is the front right here, because this is longer, that's why. So this is how it looks like. And I'm guessing too, this is where the hardware is at. All right, so this is how our tube doors look like. Man, it looks so cool. And these ones right here are in the front. And these two right back there are in the rear. And before we put them on, let's weigh them first. So we have an industrial weighing scale. And this will be the first one right here. And this is the rear tubular doors. The rear one. Oh, it's about 18.5 standing up like this. 18.5 pounds. Or 19. I put it more center now. So it's about 22 pounds. 22 pounds for the rear. All right, so I have it vertical. This is now the front doors. The front tubular doors. 29.5. Here's the front tubular doors. And then here's the rear tubular doors right there. All from JCR Off-Road. And here's all the tool parts, or the parts right there. But first, we have to remove our doors. All right, so let's remove this.
You have to remove that cable.
Yeah, cable.
Oh, there you go.
That was easy.
Yeah,
all right. 13 millimeter, and then
unscrew it.
Yep.
There you go.
Oh, there. That was.
Oh, that was easy.
Yep.
Right. Now we're doing the bottom one.
Yep.
Hopefully you guys can see it. We're in the tight squeeze here.
There you go.
There you go.
All right. So the bottom is, or the short one is the bottom, and the long one is the top.
The top. Yep.
Yep.
So
And
you ready? Unscrew. Remove the wiring, and then now we would just need to lift the door and make sure that your windows are down.
Okay.
So
let's do this.
Let's do this. Oh.
I'm not quite sure how to do this.
Oh, there you go. You got it out. So front doorless now for the front. Now we have to go to three more doors to go, and we just put it here. That was quick, huh?
That was fast.
So basically just 2 bolts here, and then the wiring here.
Yep,
that's it, guys. So now we are going to do the. Oh, that was quick.
That was quick. Sorry, that was quick.
We're just going to do now the passenger rear door. There you go. That was quick, huh?
Yep.
Just lift. Oop. Oh, that was quick.
So to put it back on, you have to have it in that position.
Yeah.
From what I've heard.
Okay, you need help?
No, I got it.
Okay.
There you go.
There you go. 2 more doors to go. Oh, look at that.
There. So dirty.
Yeah. All right. So now we are in the passenger side.
Driver.
Oh, driver side. Yep. Driver side. The same thing.
Yeah.
2 bolts to unscrew and remove that wiring.
Same process.
Yeah. Easy as uninstall.
I know, ever.
I know.
So like this.
So now, oh, there you
So it's gonna be her turn now. Since
we already removed 3 doors.
3 doors, all doorless and topless.
Last one.
Last one. You got this.
Yeah. Got this. Needs to go this. Where should it go? How come it doesn't wanna? Oh, pipe. This way. Oh.
Yep, there you go. All right, so she already removed the wire and she already took out the bolts.
Yep.
And then now she's gonna carry the rear door. Do you need help or you got this?
I think I got this.
Okay, this should be, I think it's like 30 pounds, I think.
Yeah. This right? This
Yep.
the lift.
Crap.
Yep.
Look at this. Look at that, she's all buff.
I just need someone to guide me to go down.
There.
Oh no, I got it.
You got it? She got it.
There you go.
So this is how our car Bronco looks like without the doors. Look at that. That's so
I
cool.
know.
It looks awesome.
Super.
Tools or parts right there. We already kind of organized it, and it comes with our JCR Off-Road stickers, hand built in the USA. Cool. And right now she is now what's this, fixing it up as we speak. So we got the rear set up already, but it's not fully tightened. It's just hand tight, and then later we would have to go back and try to mess around with the correct height for the locked. And right now we're now working on the front passenger. All right, so we just now finished doing the front. It's all hand tight right now. It's not fully tightened yet. So this is how it looks like as of now. So it's all coming together. So here's the brackets right here. This is the rear door. We're now working on the rear rear driver. The only instruction, guys, is the video that
I know.
that we watch. So hopefully this will help you guys out even some more.
So right there, the screw.
Man, she's already a pro. Yeah, everything's all hand tight right
Yeah. Now it's for this bracket now.
now. Okay.
So you need to put the same screw.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, this is the wrong one. There you go, this one.
There you go.
Down here. There you go.
There you go.
So now
Cool.
we just need to put the lock system.
All right, let's go put the lock system. All right, so we're now working on the lock system.
Needs to be this way,
Yep.
depending on your door.
Yep.
I'll just leave it in the middle for now.
Yeah.
So now, oh, there you go. So there's this small screw to screw this part.
It's the handle, huh?
Yeah. Oh,
She needs help.
there you go. There you go.
There you go.
And then this rubber,
Okay. Oh yeah, the door stopper.
yeah, needs to just go in here.
Twist. There you go. You got to twist. It's easier if you twist it.
There.
There you go. There. See.
Set.
All right. Now let's put this on.
Yeah.
Or the old screw.
Yeah.
Yep.
The original screw.
Yep. It's better to have two people
Yeah.
or three. you go.
It's all hand tight.
Oh crap, that one fits perfectly. All right, so this one, we just now gotta align it.
Yeah, we just need to align it later.
Yep. So everything's just all hand tight. Cool, just like that, huh?
Yeah,
like
and
that.
then you just press so it will unlock.
Sweet. All right.
Yeah. All right, so
this is now the driver side.
Yeah.
The driver's side. And now, yep. Same style as the rear, right?
Yeah, it's going to be the same
Cool.
style.
Man, look at her work. She's a pro. She's so fast.
Okay, it's all hand tied to the lock system.
Cool.
All right.
So this is the lock
The
system?
lock system. So we need these two here. Screw. Then the hex bolt. There we go. Now we put the lock here.
Okay.
First bolt. Second bolt. Done. This.
Yes. Oh, and she's putting the doorknob.
Yeah.
And
And then here's the
the
stopper.
Just twist it.
There. It's
There.
done. So now this goes to the door.
The front doors.
Yeah. We need to put this.
Oh yeah, we need to put that.
So you put it up there, and then there you go. You start to align the door.
There we go.
And then the bottom part. There.
Oh, that was perfect. Or almost perfect already.
Let's see.
There.
So there. Wow, that's nice.
All right, now we have to tighten.
Tighten, yeah.
All right.
Cool.
So we're using a 13mm, the same tool that we use to remove the doors. And we got this, is this flower?
I don't know.
Whatever, but it fits. It fits.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, perfectly. All right, so this is a size 13 at the bottom and 13.2 on the top, and we're just tightening it just like that. Hold on, let's see if that's
Yeah. Still good, right?
that's still good. Right, so this is the fun part. Now
Yeah.
we have to make sure that it's aligned.
Yeah.
The lock has to be aligned.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. She just unlocked it and then close it. See how it's like? Perfect. All right, so we just gotta tighten it up and make sure it's aligned.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're now doing our quality check right here. So for us to just close the door, we gotta make sure that it's perfectly aligned. Perfect. So this one's already perfect already for us. This one open, slightly close, boom. So like we don't have to like slam the tube door. Just gently close it, nice and locked. All right, so we're now in the driver's side, and we're now checking to see if everything is perfect fit. Wow, not even a wiggle. It's perfect. Cool. Open this. Wow, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Cool. Anyways, the one that really messed us up was this part right here. So everything else was perfect except for this.
Yeah.
So when you open it, it's all good. But when you close it,
It has
like it's just off by like 1 millimeter. So what you do is, I guess it's not perfectly aligned because everything else was perfectly aligned. So when we're closing this, all you have to do is just slightly push down and that's it. Maybe in time the heat will fix it. I don't know.
It will settle.
It will settle, but this is it right here. Let's see how much this weighs. 43 pounds.
But that's with your hand.
Oh, well, I can't let go.
I know.
Not sure if this is the passenger or the driver, but
I think they're all the same, right?
yeah. This is, oh damn.
This is 54. 54. Yeah, 54.
54 pounds. Whew.
Yeah.
I wonder if this is heavier. It's heavier, but it's longer, so you have a better hold of it.
Mm-hmm.
So there you go, 54.5 or 54 pounds.
Yeah, 54 pounds.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Driving it out.
Yeah, driving doorless.
Feels kind of scary.
Oh, yeah.
Fun. Scary and fun.
And fun.
And very windy.
I know.
All
Look
at
at
the
that.
same time. Woo. Feels good though.
Yeah.
Feels really good. It's like the AC full blast.
Yeah. All right. We're going up. Oh my gosh. There. It's going up now. It's gonna side a little bit, but your back tire.
We're here at the Breakfast Republic, and I got me their French toast. Damn, I can smell and see the bacon, the banana split French toast, and their strawberry French toast. And then she got her
Eggs Benedict
with potatoes.
Yep.
All right, let's do this.
Yep.
And it is 29.5 pounds. 30 pounds. Oh, 29.5. Oh, wait, am I going the right way? Right is tight, left is loosey. Okay. Oopsie.
So front.
It's topless. Or super topless. Or doorless.
Doorless now.